Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting right now. Open Google Play, install OneNote, and sign in with your Microsoft account so your notes sync. Once signed in, make sure to grant storage, microphone, and camera permissions. These enable attachments, audio notes, and camera scans. If you prefer OneDrive vs Local, choose OneDrive to keep everything backed up. After signing in, create a new notebook and give it a clear name. This establishes your top-level workspace and prevents scattered notes later. Now create structure. Add a section inside your notebook, then a page where you'll capture content. Use the plus button to insert text, tap the Draw tab to handwrite with your S Pen, or record audio directly for meetings. These different inputs let you capture ideas fast. Attach photos or documents from the Camera or Files menu to enrich context. Once done, use tags to mark tasks and the search bar to locate text or tagged items. Ink to text converts handwriting. Finish by organizing. Drag pages between sections, rename or color code notebooks so you find things faster. Make sure autosync is enabled and turn on offline access if you'll be without Wi-Fi. This keeps a local copy. When you share, set edit or view permissions and copy a link from the share menu. If sync ever fails, force a manual sync, confirm you're signed into the right account, and clear OneNote's app cache. That usually resolves stuck uploads and restores normal syncing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.